Want to install a new atom into your Atom environment, you first go to Manage, Atom Management, and then you go to this New button, hit New, and you hit Atom. At this point, you go to Security Options, you generate a token. This token will be used to link the atom to your account, so you copy that. Then you pick the installer you want to use, whether it's Linux or Windows, and 32-bit or 64-bit. In my case, it's Windows 64-bit. And you download the installer. The installer will pop up. And it'll start running. You need to make sure you run it as an administrator. If you don't, it will won't be happy. All right. All right, and you start getting this widget. You just hit next. Here is where you put in the token. So you put, instead of username and password, you go to token. You put in the value. And you can change the atom name. By default, it'll just be your whatever your computer name is. In my case, I'm just going to call it laptop 2. Hit next. And here is your environment. In my case, I have a prod environment and a test environment. I want it to be a prod atom, so I'm going to select this prod one. Hit next. This is the install location of where it's going to install. You can change this to wherever you want. In my case, I'm just going to leave it where it is. All right, and let's hit next. And next again. This is just a quick summary of what exactly it's going to do. As long as it's all fine, hit next. It should install. All right, and you should get this window when it's done, and you just hit finish. All right, and that's how it is, and it should show up here after a short time. It just has to start up. You may have to start it up manually. All right.